Hello everyone, good afternoon all of you. Welcome back to your online classes. I hope you all are safe or fine. So students, before starting our sessions today, first of all let's see here today's code. Okay, and listen one more thing. Today we are going to learn exercise number 3rd B, question number 1, 2 or 3. But before starting, what we see always, let's read the code. Okay, so students, now start here. Okay, now I am starting here the code. Today's code is success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. It means what? Success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. It means what, students? Success is achieved. Success as like that those people are maintained. Success got people maintain those who try and keep trying. Success is a maintained. Okay, got my point, all students? So students, we are going to learn today. Okay, first of all, before starting our what we have done in last session, we always see what we have to do in last session. I hope you all remember this all things. Understood, all students? We have done in the last sessions revision, exploring number. What? Revision, exploring further number means exploring number. It means what? We have to explore our factors or number. Multiply by doubling. What is the meaning of multiply by doubling? Multiply by doubling, it means multiply by doubling. For example, as like that, we know the table number 2, so we have do that time table number, we do table number 4. We can easily do a table number 4 as like that, double. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Understood? 2 2s are 4 as like that. So we have to do, we know that any one tables and then we multiply by doubling, means is like that. For example, 4. So what is the double? What is and how many double of 4? So 8 is double of 4. Understood? It means multiply by doubling. It's called what? Multiply by doubling. And yesterday we have done already this topic. And one more, students, exercise number 3rd E. What? Exercise number 3rd B, sorry, 3rd B, exercise number, question number 1. Question number 1 is what? Double the 7 timetables to find the product. What? Question number 1 in exercise number 3rd B, question number 1. Exercise number 3rd B, question number 1. Question number 1 is what? Question number 1 is what? Question number 1 is double the 7 timetables to find this product. Understood? Got my point, all students? Now today we are going to learn what? First of all, the revision of last lecture. What, students? What to do here? Revision of last session, and then exercise number 3rd B. What to do here, students? Exercise number 3rd B, question number 1 we have done in yesterday, and now students, today we are going to learn question number 2, 3. Only 2, 3, 4 we have a time, so let's do our question number 4. Got my point, all students? So question number 2 is what? Double the 9 timetables, find this product. What here? Double the 9 times table to find this product is question number 2. Then question number 3 is what? Find the using the pattern. Okay, we have left this, but we are directly learn this question by exercise or question number 3. Okay, I hope you all are understood what we have done yesterday and got my points, today's contents or what we are going to learn today. So question number 2 is what? Double the 9 timetables to find this product. Question number 3, find this using a pattern, and question number 4, multiply in any order. Okay, so question number till to question number 3 today we are Question number 2 is double the 9 times table to find this product, and question number 3 find the using pattern, and question number 4 is multiply any order. So question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4, this is question number 2, 3 and 4, all this question. Today we are going to learn this all this question. Okay, so first of all students, we are do the revision of last lecture. What we are do the revision of last lecture. Let's start here do the revision of last lecture. So students, here start the revision of last lecture. Students, let's revise exercise number B. Question number 1, double the 7 time tables to find this product. Okay students, first of all we do the revision of last session. So now first of all, starting here, what students we are going to learn today. First of all, starting here the revision of question number 1, double the 7 time tables to find this product. Got my point all students? So now check question number 1. Okay, in question number 1, question number 1 in sum number A. So students, today what is a double number? What is a double the 7 time tables? The 7 time tables double the multiply double here. 7 plus 7. So how many all students? 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 40. Understood? Got my points? So students, here let's check one by one what to do here and find this product. What to do here first? Here multiply 1 factors, and then after what to do? Find this product. It's called this product and it's all factors. Got my points? So students, 4 multiply by 4. This 4 and this 4 multiply each other. 4 multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. How many students? You know the table number 4. 4 4s how many students? We don't know directly answer. 14 4s are. That's why we are doing as like that. 4 4s are. 4 4s how many students? 4 4s are 16. 6 here and 1 carry. 4 4s are 16. 6 here and 1 carry. Okay, and then after 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4, and count this 1. 4 plus count this 1. 5. Okay, got my points all students? 5. The answer is what? 56. Answer is what all students? 56. Got my point all students? 14 multiplied by 4 is equal to 56. So 44s are 56, or 44s are 56, or 4 14s are 56. Got my point all students? This is your question number A. Now students, we move on question number B. What is your question number B? Question number B is 14 5s are. What? We don't know the table number 14, but how to do here? Double the 7 tables. What? Double the 7 time tables to find and to find the answer. To find the answer. It means what all student? It means as like that 14 multiplied by 5. What is the meaning of 14 multiplied by 5? So we don't do the directly. So one by one all factors multiply each other. So 5 4s are. 5 4s are or 5 1s are. First of all we do 5 4s are. Then we do students 5 1s are. So first of all 4 5s are or 5 4s are. So we do here 5 4s are. This number multiply first this and second this. So then after what to do here? We do here 5 4s are 20. So 0 here and 2 as a form of carry. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So 0 here. We put the 0 as like that, the form of here, and 2 as a form of carry. Then after 5 1s are 5. So why I am not wrote here 5? Why I am wrote here the 7? Because of we don't forget count these 2 carry. 5 1s are 5. So why I am not putting here 15, but I am write here 17? Because of what reason? 5 1s are 5, and 5 plus this 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is what? When is 2 is coming? Because of 2 is carry. So we count a carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 2. Got my point all students? So answer is what? 17. 14 5s are 17. 14 5s are 17, or 5 14s are 17. Okay, got my point, all students? This is your question number. 14 5s are 17, or 5 14s are 17. Got my point, all students? Now we move on. Question number C. Question number C is what? 14 6 are 14 6 are. Okay, so now 14 6 are we know or we don't know? We don't know. What is 46 are? The 4 6 are. First of all, we do one by one all step, and then what to do? We are going to learn we are going to on a next factor. So 14 6 are how many? Don't know. Here I'm wrote only answer, but how can possible? So one by one all factors multiply each other. So 4 6 are 6 4s are how many, students? This digit multiply by first 4 and then multiply with 1. 6 multiply with 4 and 6 multiply with 1. Got my point, all students? 6 4s are how many? 24. 6 4s are 24. So 4 here and 2 as a form of the carry. Okay, 6 4s are 24. So 4 here and 2 as a form of carry. Got my point, all students? And then after 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. So why I am wrote here? Why I am not wrote a 6? Because of 6 1s are 6. And count this 2. 6 plus 2 how many? 8. That's why I am brought here a 8. So answer is what? 84. 14 6 are how many, all students? 14 6 are 84. 6 14s are 84. 6 40s are 84, and 14 6 are 84. Got my point? So students, this is your question number C. I hope you all are no. Now we move on question number D. So let's see and check here the what is the question number. Number D is, all students, 14 multiplied by 8. It means what? 14 8s are 14 8s are what? 14 8s are 14 8s are. Okay, so 14 8s are, it means what? 14 8s are. Now do with one factors. Okay, one by one factor. 8 multiplied by 4 and then 8 multiplied by 1. So 8 4s how many, all students? 8 4s are 32. How many? 4 8s are or 8 4s are how many? 8 4s are 32. Okay, so 8 4s are 32. So 2 here and 3 as a form of carry. 2 is as like that. 2 is here and 3 is a form of the carry. And then 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 1s are 8, and then 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 how many? 9 10 and 11. So what I am wrote here? 11. So answer is what? 14 8s are 112. 14 8s are how many, all students? 112. 14 8s are 112 and 8 14s are 112. Got my point, all students? Now we move on. Question number E. I hope you all are understood this exercise or these questions. Okay, all students, attention in question number E. Question number E is what? 14 multiplied by 3. 14 multiplied by 3 is what? 14 multiplied by 3 is means 14 multiplied by 3. It means 14 3s are 42. But how can it this possible? So is this possible as like that? This 3 multiplied by first 4 and then 1. Okay, we multiply each other number, this number and this number, one by one number we all are multiply with each other. Understood, all students? This all things. So 3 4s are how many? First of all, 3 4s are and 3 1s are. So one by one all step we are doing here. Okay, all students, what to do here? One by one we are doing the all step. Okay, got my point, all students? 3 4s are 12. So 2 here and 1 carry. 2 here and 1 as a form of carry. 2 here and as one form of the carry. And 3 1s are 3 plus count this carry. 3 1s, see this. 3 and this one. 3 ones are 3 and count this one, carry. Okay, so 3 plus 1. How many all students? 4. So answer is what? 14 threes are. 14 threes are how many all students? 14 threes are 42. 14 threes are 42. Got my point all students. Now this is your exercise number 3rd B. Question number 1 is done here all students. Very easy question number 1. I hope you all are do. Okay all students, listen one thing. Question number 1 you have to write in your fair book. Okay, neat and clean. Neatly and clean. Okay all students. Now students, we are going to learn question number 2. Okay, so what is the question number 2? Now attention here all. Question number 2 is what all students? Let's see here the question number 2. So before starting question number 2, we know what is the question number 1. Double the 7 time tables to find this product. Is the same question number 2. Double the 9 time tables to find this product. What? Double the 9 time tables to find this product. Understood all students? So question number 2 is what all students? Question number 2 in again and again I am telling you double the 9 time tables to find this product. Okay, 9 time tables. What is the double of 9? So the double of 9 is 18. Do with your fingers all students. 9 plus 9. Okay, 9 plus 9 so how many all students? What is the double of 9? 18. So 9 plus 9, 18. Understood all students? So now here find this product of 18. What? Find this product of 18. So here we do the 9 times tables to find this product. Got my point all students? This is your question number 2. Now students, we are starting here the question number 2. What is the question number 2? Okay. Question number 1 is question number 1 as like that. 18 multiplied by 3. What? 18. 1 8. 18 multiplied by 3. It means what? 18 multiply by 3. So 1 by 1. 3 multiplied by 8 and 3 multiplied by 1. Got my point all students? So 3 8s are how many all students? We all know what is the meaning of how many of 3 8s are? 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So we write the 4 here and 2 as a form of the carry. Where we write 4 we write as and 2 as a form of the carry. Then after 3 ones are 3. How many? 3 ones are 3. Okay, then after 3 plus count 2 carry as a form of that carry. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. So we can write as like that 5. The answer is what? 54. So 18 threes are how many? 15 4. How many all students? 18 threes are 15 4. Got my point all students? Now we move on question number B. Okay, I hope you all are understood. One more thing here students, we don't know the table number 18, so we do sum as like that. Okay, if your teachers or other teachers you ask the question, you to ask the question how many? Okay, 18 threes are. So you as like that do in your book and you are able to give answer. That time you don't say ma'am I don't know what is answer. Understood? Otherwise you ask or you tell sir I don't know what is the answer. Understood all students? So you must be learn this question, because of this question is to help to learning table number 11 to 20. Okay, because of we all know table number 1 to 10. Table number 1 to 10 we all know. Table number 1 to know. So that time is a double of 1 to 10, 11 to 20. Double of what? 1 to 10, double of we do with we double here, double the number 1 to 10 table, so we find the 11 to 20. Understood? Got my point all students? So students, before starting question number B, I hope you all are understood the question number A, and after complete the question number B, again I'll repeat you question number A and question number B again. Now attention in question number B. So question number B is what? 18 sixes. 18 sixes means how many? We don't know. So we do one by one. 6 multiply by 8 factor 6 multiply by 8 factor with 8, and 6 multiply by 1. So one by one all step we are going to learn today. So 6 8s. Okay, I hope you all are do a homework, done the homework of table. Okay, keep it in mind all students, the all table. Keep it in mind all tables in your mind. So 6 8s, how many students? 48. 8 6 or 6 8s, but here we are not do 8 6s. 8 6 is same also answer, but 6 8s here as like that do here 6 8s. So 8 here, and as a form of carry is 4. 8 6 8s 48. 6 8s 48. So we write 8 here and 4 as a form of the carry. Got my point all students? 6 1s are 6. Then after, first of all what to do? 6 multiplied by 8. 6 8s are 48. 8 here and 4 carry, and then after 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 so how many? 6 7 8 9 and 10. So answer is what? 10. Answer is what? Answer is 10. So how can it possible? 6 1s are 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 so 10. So 18 6s are 108. 18 6s are 108. Got my point all students? 18 6s are 108. Understood? This is your question number A and B. Again I'll explain you here. Okay, so 18 3s are, so one by one. Okay, 18 3s are, how can we do? First of all 3 8s are, and then 3 1s are. So 3 8s are 24. Okay students, 3 8s are 24. 4 here and 2 is a form of the carry. Then further 3 1s are 3 what? 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 3 plus 2 so 5. Answer is what? 54. Answer is what? 54. Then question number B. Question number B is what? 18 multiplied by 6. 18 6. 18 6 is what? 18 6. So now do 6 multiplied by 8 and 6 multiplied by 1. 6 8 is how many all students? 14. 6 8 is 40, not 48. 6 8 is 48. So 6 8 is 48. So I am wrote here the 8 and put the 4 as a form of the carry. Then after 6 1s are 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 4 how many? 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 110 is our answer. Got my point all students? Now students, I hope you all are understood. Now we move on question number C, D or E. So what is the question number C? Okay, what we have learned? 18 3s are 54. 18 6s are 1. 18 6s are what? 18 6s are 105. 18 6s are 105. And here 18, first of all what we have learned? 18 3s are what? 18 3s are 54. And here 18 2s are 18 5s and 18 4s are. So what we have learned today? Table number 18. Table number 1. 18 1s are 80. 18 2s are 36. 18 4s are 72. 18 5s are we have learned. 18 5s are how many students? We have learned 19. See on my screen. Okay, so now we solve the question number C. 18 2s how many? 36. But how can it possible? First of all 2 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 8 and 2 multiplied by 1. 2 8s are 16. How many students? 2 8s are 16. So 6 here and 1 as a form of the carry. We can do as like that. 1 as a form of carry and 6 is down. And then 2 1s are 2. Then after what? 2 1s are 2. So 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. So answer is what? 36. Answer is what all students? 36. Understood all students? Is this answer number what? 18 2s are 30. 18 2s are 36. How many? 18 2s are 36. Now question number D. Question number D is what? 18 5s are 18 5s. So 5 multiplied by 8 and 5 multiplied by 1. First of all 5 multiplied by 8, then 5 multiplied by 1. Got my point, all students? So 5 8s are 14. 4 is a form of carry and 0. Okay, 5 8s are 14. 5 8s are 14. 4 here and 0 here. Got my point, all students? 5 8s are 14. So 4 here and 0 here. Again and again I am telling you, keep it in all points in your mind. 5 and 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4. How many? 5 plus 4. 6, 7, 8 or 9. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Got my points? The answer is what? 18 5s are 19. 18 5s are 19. Got my point, all students? Now question number E. What is the question number E? Question number E is what? 18 4s are 18 4s are what? 18 4s are 72. But how can it possible? 7 multiplied by 8 first and 7 multiplied by 1. The 4 8s are 32. How many of students? You know the table number 4. 4 8s are 32. 2 here and 3 is a form of the carry. Got my point, all students? 2 is a form of the carry. And then further what to do? 2 put it down and 3 put as on form of the carry, and 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. Then after 4 1s are 4. Okay, 4 1s are 4 plus 4 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 3, how many, all students? 5 6 or 7. So answer is what? 72. Answer. So 4 8s are 32 and 4 8s are 32 and 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. So answer is what, all students? 72. Understood? Now this is your question number 2 is done. Here only how many sum, all students? Only 5 sum. Okay, so you have only 5 sums, all students. Now we move on question number 2. Question number 2 we have done, but question number 3, find the product using the pattern. What? Find the product using the pattern. It means we have a not doing with pattern, we have a do as a form of the table. Okay, question number 3, find the product using the pattern. But as like we know, we do with our this type of tables. Okay, 1 1s are 1. Okay, 1 8s are 1 1s are 1. 1 8s are 8. Again 1 1s are 1 and again 1 8s are 1. See here, 1 1s are 1, 1 0s are, but they don't write it. Okay, 1 1s are 1. See here, 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8. 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8. Again 1 8 1s are 1 and 8 1s are 8. 1 8s are 8, 1 8s are 8, 8 1s are 8 and 1 1s are 1. As like that. See here, 1 1s are 1, 8 1s are 8. Then after again what? 1 1s are. Understood? And then 8 1s are 8. Okay, as a form of the answer is what? Also 8187. Okay, what is this? 101 multiplied by 81. 101 multiplied by 81. 101 multiplied by 81. Understood, all students? So answer is what? 8181. Question number B, 101 multiplied by 65. 5 1s are 5, 1 6s are 6. Again 5 1s are 5 and again 6 1s are 6. Again I am telling you, 5 1s are 5, 6 1s are 6, and then what? 5 1s are 5 and again 6 1s are 6. 5 1s are 5, 1 6s are 6, 5 1s are 5 and 6 1s are 6. Got my point, all students? Answer is what? 6565. What? 6565. Okay students, if we have done yesterday question number 1, today we have done question number 2, and question number 3 is still left. So our next sessions, first of all we do the question number 3, and then we write the full exercise number 3b in our fair book. So today's homework is what? You learn the table number 1 to 20. How many times? 2 times in your fair book. Got my point, all students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you all of you.